on over if you wanna have a good time. No more playing around when now's the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on, they said our mind and bodies intertwined. Come on over if you wanna have a good time. No more playing around when now's the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on, they said our mind and bodies intertwined.
Nicole and Christopher, you have expressed your love to one another through the commitment and promises that you have just made. It is with these in mind that I pronounce you husband and wife. Christopher, you may kiss your beautiful bride.
So I was gonna say she's the most beautiful bride I've ever seen. But then I remembered my own wedding was about a month ago. So it's probably smartest to say she's the second most beautiful bride I've ever seen.
When I look at you two, I don't just see a couple, I see best friends. And what more could you ask for in this crazy life than to have someone to laugh with the whole entire time?
Dear Chris, first off, I want you to know that I love you so much and I'm so proud of the man you are today. You've shown me a love that I never thought could have existed. I am so beyond honored to be your wife. We here now.
Dear Nicole, my words simply cannot give justice to how much I love you and how excited I am to be here, marrying you today. Our past together is what got us here, but it is our future together that excites me most. In a few short hours, I'll see you for the last time as my fiance and forever after as a wife. I love you so much. See you soon, Mrs. Nelson.